Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Credit Karma card. So process is very easy to do. Simply follow this step-by-step guide and you will be able to do that. So the first thing you need to do is open up Credit Karma app or their website and then go to your money spent account. After this, locate your routing number and the account number and then provide this to your employer or the other income source to set up direct deposit. This is the direct deposit option that you can use, and the next option is to transfer from the external bank account. So just like the first one, open your app or the website and then go to money spent account and then click on add money or the transfer money option. Link an external bank account following the prompts, and you can transfer the fund from external account to your Credit Karma account. And the next option is the mobile check deposit, but you need to remember that this option is available for only some users, so simply check if you are eligible for this or not. So just go to your money spent account and then select deposit check and follow the instruction to take photos of front and back of your check, and then fund will be typically available within a few days. And the last option is the cash deposit. So Cash Karma Money Spent currently doesn't support cash deposit option. However, you can deposit cash into a linked bank account and transfer it to electronically to your Credit Karma account as a workaround. So that's all the way you can use to deposit money in your Credit Karma card. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.